Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth, no-fluff reviews of the most innovative tools on the market. Today, we're diving into the best Wakit grinder, the Wakit Black Electric Grinder with ball and chain replacement. Right off the bat, this isn't your average herb grinder. It's designed for people who are tired of the traditional twisting and turning motion of manual grinders. Instead, the Wakit grinder brings next-level tech into your kitchen with a battery-powered motor and its patented ball and chain mechanism. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game-changer. Let's start with how it works. You don't have to twist or crank anything. Instead, you just tap the top. A quick tap activates the motor, which spins a beaded chain inside the chamber. This chain whirls around, creating a powerful vortex that shaves herbs from their stems in seconds. You can tap lightly for a coarser grind or hold the tap a bit longer for a finer consistency. It gives you full control without any wrist strain or physical effort. Seriously, anyone can use this, even if you've never used a grinder before. Now, one thing that makes this particular model stand out is the inclusion of the ball and chain replacement. Wakit knows that over time, parts may wear out, especially the components that do the heavy lifting. So instead of replacing the entire unit, they offer this replacement option. It extends the life of your grinder and saves you money. It's a smart move from a small business brand that actually cares about longevity and value. Cleaning is also where Wakit shines. You don't need special tools or brushes. A quick wipe with a moist or alcohol towelette is enough to get it ready for the next session. That's because the design prevents herbs from sticking to hard-to-reach places, and there are no annoying crevices that trap residue. Aesthetically, the Wakit grinder looks sleek and modern. The black finish is clean and minimal, which means it won't look out of place on your kitchen counter or tucked into a drawer. And since it's battery-powered, it's portable, perfect for taking with you on the go. Unfortunately, at the time of filming this video, this exact model, the Wakit Black Electric Grinder with ball and chain replacement, is currently unavailable on Amazon. But don't worry, Wakit offers several similar options, including the Wakit KLR electric grinder and separate ball and chain replacement parts, which can be purchased individually. I've included links in the description for those, so you can still experience what makes this grinder such a standout. So, who is this for? If you use herbs regularly and want to streamline the prep process, this is for you. If you have mobility issues or simply hate manual grinders, this is definitely for you. And if you're someone who values speed, precision, and low-maintenance kitchen tools, then the Wakit grinder is going to make your life a lot easier. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future product deep dives. This is Product Critique, where we take the guesswork out of your next purchase. See you in the next video.